In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect customer feedback using Typeform. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. Collecting customer feedback is one of the most valuable things you can do for your business. It helps you understand what your customers think about your products or services, allowing you to make necessary adjustments and improvements. Typeform is a fantastic tool for this because it offers a user-friendly interface and engaging formats that encourage responses. First, you'll want to navigate to the Typeform website. Head over to typeform.com and make sure to log in to your account. If you don't have one yet, creating an account is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. Once you're logged in, look for the option that says Workspaces. Clicking on this will take you to your project space, where you can manage all the forms you create. Once you're in the Workspaces view, go ahead and click on the New Form button. This is where you will begin the process of creating your feedback form. Upon clicking it, you'll be prompted to choose a template or create a blank form. It's often easier to start from a template, especially if you're new to this. However, if you prefer a completely custom design, selecting the blank form is perfectly fine too. Now, after you've chosen how you want to start, the next step is to add content to your form. You can do this by clicking on the Add Content button you see on your screen. This is where the real fun starts. Typeform provides various question types, from simple text to multiple choice, but today, we are focusing specifically on gathering ratings. To collect ratings, click on the option that says Rating. Here you'll be able to customize the question to fit what you want to know from your customers. Maybe you want to ask for a rating on their satisfaction with a specific product, or perhaps you'd like feedback on their overall experience with your service. Once you select Rating, you will have the chance to type in your question. Be clear and concise. This will help ensure that your customers understand exactly what feedback you're looking for. For instance, you might ask something like, how would you rate your experience with our customer support? Don't forget to include a description or further context if necessary to guide your customers in giving thoughtful responses. After writing your question and description, it's crucial to review everything before sharing it with your customers. Once you're satisfied, click on the Share button. This is where Typeform shines. You'll receive a unique link that you can distribute via email, social media, or even directly embed into your website. Now that you have your link, it's time to get it out there. Share this link with your customers and encourage them to provide their valuable feedback. You might consider offering an incentive, like a discount on their next purchase, to encourage a higher response rate. And there you have it. You're now equipped to collect customer feedback using Typeform. Remember, the key to effective feedback is not just in gathering the data, but in analyzing it and implementing changes based on what you've learned. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Feel free to leave your thoughts or any questions you might have in the comments. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your customer feedback collection.